Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to forward multiple messages on Messenger on your PC with the new update. To get started, open your Messenger account and navigate to the conversation that contains the messages you wish to forward. Once you have found the message you want to send, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the message. A drop-down menu will appear, and one of the options will be Forward. Click on this option, and a new window will open where you can select the recipient you want to forward the message to. Click on the Send button next to the recipient's name, and the message will be forwarded. If you have more messages you want to forward, simply repeat these steps for each message. You can forward multiple messages in the same conversation by following these steps for each individual message. And there you have it. That's how you can easily forward multiple messages on Messenger on your PC with the new update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.